guys, so this is the fall FabFitFun box, and I haven't received one of these boxes in a really long time, maybe like several years, and I know that these are super popular boxes, and so many Instagram influencers promote their boxes online, so they've just become so popular, and they definitely do have a real variety of stuff. A lot of subscription boxes geared towards women are really heavy in, makeup, skincare, that sort of stuff. But this one has just a big variety of stuff. It has some beauty, some household stuff, some, fitness stuff. It just kind of spans a lot of different areas. So I actually did not make the choices for the box. They chose them for me. And I did not realize what the window was. Like, they didn't send out an email or anything. So I let them know that I'd missed the window. And they actually let me choose 4 items to send to me separately from my FabFitFun box. So I was able to get a few items that I definitely wanted, along with just these surprise items. So that was pretty nice of them. And inside the box, and they had this little special this month. A lot of months they have some sort of special. Maybe it's like a discount or free products if you sign up, something like that. So a few of these products are just like part of the promo, and they aren't part of the regular box. So I'll just show you those really quickly first. So it's like, first, this Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream, and I know that people really love this brand, so I'm assuming this is pretty good. So this is part of the little freebies, the little added freebies. So there's that. Then there's Tula. I have, I think, 1 or 2 Tula skincare products. I know they're kind of, they're becoming more and more popular. So this is actually a really beautiful bottle. But it's this Probiotics and Superfoods Signature Glow Brightening Face Mist. And it has this some sort of like little widget inside to like help to shake it up. That's pretty cool. So that's that, and let's see what else is part of the little freebies. This also, I'm pretty sure, is part of the freebies. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Truly Clear, the one-step acne solution. Keeps your, honestly, I don't know. It looks like it's almost like a fancy soap box inside. I don't know if you have to already own a Truly Clear product to use this, but it looks like something that you could use as like a travel soap box if you aren't going to use Truly Clear products. So there's that. And what else is part of the freebies? This is part of the little freebies. This is Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. And I don't really know much about this brand. Let me know if you guys know about this brand. I'm not really familiar with it. Let's see, what else? Oh, okay. Let's see, I think there's just a couple more items as part of the freebies. So I think one of them is this, the Nuco Topical C. So I believe this is vitamin C powder. So you add a little bit of this vitamin C powder to your skincare, and then it supposedly works a lot better than using a liquid vitamin C product, because it just stays fresh, and you can see it has this dark bottle, so it can't be oxidized easily. So that looks pretty good. And then the last item that was part of the freebies was just this Lash Curler, which I'm not really that into lash curlers, so I'll probably give this away. But it's a cute little rose gold lash curler in there. It just looks like a pretty standard one. Like a pretty standard lash curler. It just looks like that. It's pretty though. It's rose gold. That's very pretty. So that was it for the little freebies. And the regular box, first of all, comes with some little coupons that's for Daily Harvest. And it comes with a little, one more coupon. This is for like a wine subscription, it looks like. And then they always send a little magazine that just kind of talks about the products and some other kind of general stuff. And as you can sort of see already, it's a big variety of stuff. So this is just the stuff that they sent me when I did not make my selection. So one is this Pumpkin Fresh Peepers. It minimizes puffiness and dryness. So it's just like under eye patches, it looks like. So that looks kind of okay. I don't know. I might give that away too. I'm not sure about that. Oh, well, I'll continue on with just these beauty products. So this is a Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, Hyaluronic Acid Witch Hazel. So I'm not sure if I'm familiar with this product or this brand, but this is a pretty nice sized bottle. And I'll have to like look more into what this is and how it works, and I want to look at online reviews and see what it's all about. And the last sort of beauty item is this Wish Mineral Milk Bath. That's nice. I don't really ever take baths. Maybe I'll see if my kids want to try this in their bath, or I mean, I don't know. I guess I could always try taking a bath just to try this out. I don't know, but it looks interesting. And then I'm actually excited to get this because I thought about getting it as one of the 4 items when they said I could choose 4 items because I hadn't gotten to make my choices. And then I didn't. I chose something different. So I'm excited to actually get these now because now I get to have the other item that I chose as well as these. So it comes with measuring spoons as well as measuring cups. And it's this really nice, these are like made out of bamboo. I think I read about these in their little online thing. Measuring cups and spoon set. Yeah, they're made out of BPA-free materials. So just to pull these out. So these are the little measuring spoons, super cute, and then the measuring cups. And oh, I actually really like the fact that they have this little lip here so that it makes it easier to pour when you're cooking. Very cute and very nice. And then next are these. This is another thing that I thought about choosing when they said I could choose 4 additional items, but I ended up choosing something else, so I'm really excited to get these as well. These are packing cubes, but the brand is Free People, which is, you know, like a pretty nice brand. And these packing cubes are just so cute and so fashionable. So you just, these are actually pretty shallow. As you can see, they're pretty shallow. So this would be just for like a small amount of stuff. Like maybe you would stick just a few t-shirts in there, maybe you'd put your underwear in there or something like that to keep it organized on your trip. So there's 2 packing cubes. This one is slightly smaller and it has like a little handle. They have really cute patterns on them. So those are nice. And the last item, and actually, oh wait, not the last item. This is actually, I think, also part of the freebies. This is the Dr. Rogers Restore Lip Balm. And that is part of the little freebie bundle that's actually not part of the regular box. And then the last item, this is actually something that I did request as one of the 4 items they allowed me to choose. And so I will actually have 2 of these. But you know, these are the aluminum pans that you do want to replace them every so often, like every few years. So I'll probably just put one of them away in storage and wait till I've used this one for a few years and then just switch out to the other one. And this is really, really nice looking. I think that's the most fashionable fry pan I think I've ever seen. It's just this beautiful blue color and this really cool handle. It's like a wood look, but I don't think that that's actual real wood. It doesn't feel like wood. And then this bottom is really cool. That looks really nice. And it does say on the box that it is PFOA and PTFE free. And well, it says dishwasher suitable. That's surprising. It looks just super, super cute. That looks like a really nice fry pan. And you know, I think that the cost of just this pan is almost the total cost of the FabFitFun box, if you can believe it. So it's like, wow, it's a pretty good deal. So guys, that was my FabFitFun box for fall, as well as the little extras that I got for ordering the box. And I think this is a pretty good value. And I think their customer service was really great. When I did call them with an issue, their customer service was awesome. So I definitely would recommend checking them out if you're interested. And I will link to them down in the info box. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.